Hey everyone, today we're diving into artificial neural networks. This one's got 50 neurons across 2 layers, trained to recognize digits from 0 to 9. By stacking neurons in layers, we can tackle more complex predictions. Let's kick things off with 0. Nice, looks like it got that right. Clearing the screen, let's test out number 1. Nailed it. Now for 2, and it's predicting as I slide my mouse over the dots. 3 looks spot on, and 4 too. Uh-oh, 5's giving us a bit of trouble. Let's redefine and about 50% accuracy on that one. Six, perfect. 7, flawless. All right, let's switch it up. I'm going to write the numbers horizontally. Not quite. How about diagonally? It's picking up on the numbers now. 5's still tricky though. 6, great. 7, bit of a mix-up. There, let's try right in the center. Yes, it worked. Hope you're enjoying the test. If you want to see more cool videos, hit like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.